This is Caribbean Sunset from the initial grade. Caribbean Sunset kind of has a bit of an Afro Cuban Cha-Cha feel. It's quite a basic version of it, but it gets you started here. One of the main things in this song is coordination, which applies obviously to electric kit and acoustic kit, and dynamics, again, huge thing across both electric and acoustic kits. So there's a section here which goes from P all the way to F in 2-bar chunks. You've got to really make those dynamics clear as you go around the kit.